Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today we're going to make a pretty simple meal, but it's going to be absolutely delicious. What we are making today is grilled chicken fettuccine with cilantro tomatillo cream sauce. And we're going to make it gluten-free. The director found that glutens were upsetting her tummy. First of all, maybe we thought it was me doing nude yoga in the living room every night right after dinner. But it turns out that wasn't it. It's the glutens. So, let's get it going. What I have here is some chicken thighs. They have been brining in some Sweetwater Spice Company smoked habanero brine. It doesn't matter what flavor from the Sweetwater Spice Company, every one of those brines are absolutely stellar for pork, for chicken. Absolutely love them. So we're going to pull those out and we're going to dice those into cubes to put on a skewer, which is also gluten-free. There should be a fourth camera turned around getting the director's looks as I say these things. So unless your chicken is from the Chernobyl region and it's about 25 pounds, you really can't cut chicken thighs into cubes very well. So what we're going for here is about 1 inch by 1 inch squares to go onto the skewer. And remember, the more cubes you end up with, or the more chicken pieces, the more skewers you're going to need. So I like to minimize it. Do your best to keep them all the same size, that way they'll cook at the same rate. So the recipe and the ingredients and their quantities are down in the description, so fret not, loyal viewer. All right, there we go. Chicken's all cubed up. All right, now we're going to take our chicken and some baby bella mushrooms. Don't get those button ones. There's not a whole lot of flavor to them. Get some baby bellas or some cremini or something like that. A lot more flavor. But anyway, we're going to alternate chicken, mushroom, chicken, mushroom, chicken, mushroom. Continue. Until I run out of one or the other, and then it's going to be just chicken, 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 or mushroom, 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 mushroom. If they're ginormous, go ahead and cut them in half. Don't be silly. Right now, my Yoder YS640 pellet grill is heating up to 425 degrees, and we're going to do some direct cooking on these. All right, these aren't going to take very long at all to cook on the grill, so now is the perfect time to start the water for the pasta. Hey, shout out to Stefan, our favorite vegetarian. You know, this would be a fantastic dish for you if you just omitted the chicken. Everything else is going to mix together incredibly. So let's say you don't have a grill or the weather's crappy that day or you just don't feel like dealing with it. You could absolutely bake that chicken and then saute those mushrooms and come out with a good meal too. There's just something about that char from fire-cooked meat that is just outstanding. So if you get the chance, do it this way. So after about 3 minutes, give them each a quarter turn and then keep doing that till they're done. We're done with the chicken. Took about 12 minutes, 3 minutes per side, 4 sides. I'm going to chuck those into the oven on warm to keep those warm as we make the rest of this. All right, next thing we're going to do is get a skillet, a small one, on medium heat. We're going to get some olive oil in there. And we're going to take some unpeeled garlic cloves and roast them for about 15 minutes. The outside is going to get burnt to crap, but that's fine. That is fine. The insides will get roasted perfectly. Recipe says some crazy stuff like 4 garlic cloves. I think I have 9 here. It's up to you. Make it how you like it. All right, so as our garlic is roasting, we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the constituents of our sauce together in the blender. So that is cilantro, diced tomatillo. You don't need to dice them real fine because they're going into the blender. Quartering is just fine. a de-seeded, deveined jalapeno, sour cream, chicken stock, cream cheese, and a little cumin, and then a good pinch of salt and pepper. Now once our garlics are done roasting, we're going to peel them and chuck those in there too, and then mix it all up. Got it all together in the blender. Get that blended up. All right, got it all liquefied. Give it a quick taste for salt and pepper. All right, now that sauce goes into a saucepan. And we're going to cook that, let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so, which is a perfect time to get our fettuccine done. All right, an emergency work thing has called me away, but it's okay. The director's going to cover the rest of the episode.
Okay, he's got me doing something I swore I'd never do. I'm on camera. All right, now for the moment of truth. Very good, easy, elegant meal. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to know what's coming out, hit the subscribe button. That's all I got for you. Fair ones and following seas.